Ladies and gentlemen, today we have come with this video on how to make passport photos. So you open your Photoshop. As you can see mine here, I have a Photoshop. So you come here, you choose the image that you want to use. Me, I want to use this one. I have dragged it in. Let us wait to open. Yeah, it has opened. You come here on this crop tool, then you select a width of 1.5 inch, then height of 2 inches, then a resolution of 200, then pixel. Let us use pixel inch. We are using pixel inch. Then we come here and crop, yeah, like this. Like this. So you say okay. Then remember, a good passport should have a boundary that helps you when you are cutting it. Now, what do we do if we want to create a boundary? Remember, this background is locked. You double click on it and say okay to unlock it. Then you come on edit. Before we go there, let us, I'm sorry for that, let us press Alt T in order to resize, because I told you that a good photo, passport should have a boundary. Now you press Alt, long press Alt, and then resize your image like this. If you are satisfied with that, you press OK. Now you come on edits, stroke. Then me, I want to use a pixel of 5. Then the color, let us continue with black color. Yeah, you say okay. Then mode normal, then capacity 100. Then location, let us use inside. Then we press okay. Now the boundary has come. This will help us when we are cutting this gundi passport. Now you come on edits, you come here, define pattern. Let us save this as Fredo. Yeah, but before we proceed, if you feel like this video is educative, you are getting something, you subscribe to my channel, share, and also like, such that whenever I upload a new video, you become the first person to watch it. So many people have been asking how to create passport photos, but now here is the video. You watch and practice using your Photoshop. If you don't have it, you can either use for your neighbor, because this era anyone must know how to use a computer, and a computer, we use it to do very many things. But for me, I decided to use it on photo editing. So let us, we have saved it as Nelson on the fine pattern. So let us create a new layer. You can either come here on files, or you use a shortcut of Control N, but let me press here. Then width, we are going to use pixels. Let us use here width 100. I mean to 1200 pixels. Here on height we use 800 pixels. Resolution 300. Then after we press OK. Yeah, it is opening. It has opened. Now what should we do if you want if we want these passport photos to come on this layer? We simply go on edits, fill. Here let us come on the other. We saved this because it's the last one. Then you press OK. After doing all these things, you press OK. Wow, wonderful. We have these passport photos, and these are what we have been working on. So as you have seen, I have already created them. So you can also use this procedure. You can follow me and see how you can also get them. It is very simple, and this is the end of the video. But if you feel like you're getting something, you subscribe, share, and also comment, such that when I upload a new video, you become the first person to watch it. I'll keep uploading such videos every 1 week. Yeah, every 1 week. So don't miss another video about removing the background and also retouching photos. I have very many topics that you need to learn. Thank you for watching my video. Let us meet in another video. Thank you for watching, guys.